Hey everyone, it's David from SWWC, and in this quick tutorial we're checking out one of Microsoft's newest AI tools inside M365. It's called Teach. This feature uses Copilot to help you create things like lesson plans, rubrics, and flashcards, saving time and giving you a solid starting point for classroom materials. Let's take a look at how it works. Once you're logged into your M365 account, you might see a new Teach option on the sidebar. This feature is still rolling out, so if you don't see it yet, don't panic. It'll show up soon. Once you're in, you'll notice a few categories like curriculum planning, lesson plans, homework and assessments, and study aids, plus a quick history of anything you've already created. Let's walk through creating a lesson plan. Click on Lesson Plan and fill in the basics, your subject area, grade level, and language. Right now, most examples lean toward US standards, but Microsoft's expanding that over time. Then comes the fun part, your prompt. Write a clear, detailed description of what you want your lesson to include. For example, I might ask it to build a middle school science lesson using the 5E model or include retrieval practice activities. You can also upload a file like a unit overview or your state standards to give Copilot more context. When you hit generate, Copilot will put together a structured lesson plan with objectives, activities, and timing suggestions. You can tweak anything, enhance it with Copilot on the right-hand side, and save your final version right into OneDrive. The Teach feature isn't just for lesson plans. You can also create rubrics, homework assignments, or even study aids and flashcards, all using AI. For example, under flashcards, you can type in something that focuses on a specific book, topics, or standards, and you can even add content as an attachment. Click Generate, and Copilot will create a quick set of digital cards for review. Keep in mind, if it's a large document, it may take a while to process, and you should be intentional about the types of flashcards that will fit your learning goals. Once it's created, you can edit or delete any that don't quite fit and even generate more. And remember, always double check the content. AI gives you a great head start, but you bring the professional judgment that makes it classroom ready. Once everything looks good, click Preview to test it out. Then save or share it directly from OneDrive. Now you have a fast, flexible way to build classroom materials with Microsoft's new Teach feature in M365 Copilot. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with another teacher who's curious about AI tools in education, and stay tuned for more quick tutorials from SWWC's tutorial channel. Thanks for watching.